Here are the biggest factors that make a house much harder to sell on this episode of Ryan and Real Estate. Let's get to it. All right, welcome to this episode of Ryan and Real Estate. Thanks so much for joining us. As always, take a minute. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to us. If you have any comments, let us know. But let's jump right into it. Here are the biggest factors that make a house much harder to sell that really you should be thinking about in your own home. All right, number one is location. As the saying goes, location, location, location. It is a crucial factor in the real estate market. A home situated in an unfavorable location, such as far from amenities, school, public transportation, can significantly impact its desirabilities. Buyers often prioritize the location above anything else. And if your home is in a bad location, it can make it a huge potential bad selling point. All right, number two, difficult floor plan that cannot be easily modified. A challenging and practical floor plan can be a major deterrent for potential buyers. A well-designed layout should maximize space, flow, and functionality. If the floor plan is difficult to navigate or it cannot be modified pretty easily, then it may take longer to sell the property. Buyers really often seek homes that are adaptable and can accommodate their lifestyle and their preferences, not yours. Number three, insufficient natural light. Oh my goodness, if I could tell you this one. A dark, poorly lit home can be way less appealing to potential buyers because what it does is it creates an unwelcoming atmosphere, but homes with lots of natural light and large windows tend to be much more desirable. Number four, odors or pet damage. Unpleasant odors, such as those from cigarette smoke or, most importantly, pets, can be off-putting to potential buyers. Similarly, visible pet damage on carpets, walls, and doors can create a negative impression and make a home much more difficult to sell. So make sure you get those pets taken care of. And number five, the minimal upgrades are not there. Minor upgrades can positively impact a home's appeal and make it much more attractive to potential buyers. Although they don't drastically increase the property's overall value, they can help a home stand out in a competitive market, potentially leading to a much faster sale. What are these things? Paint, light fixtures, carpet, flooring, lighting, and appliances. Those are all things that you could do simply to help your home sell faster and for a much higher price. There you have it. Can you think of anything else that might be a potential deterrent to other buyers? Let us know in the comments, and we'll see you next time on Ryan